Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohan Shohag with you. Now I am talking about what is motor starter. How does a motor starter works? If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. What is a motor starter? Motor starters are electrical devices that are used to start and stop a motor safely. They are similar to relays and switch powers on off, although unlike a relay, it also provides a low voltage and overcurrent protection. Motor starters serve the functions of safely starting stopping a motor, reversing the motor's direction or protecting the motors from low voltage and overcurrent. A motor starter comprises two main components that complement each other to control and protect the motor. Electrical contactor. The contactor switches the power supply of a motor on off by breaking the overload protection circuit. This circuit protects the motor from potential harm due to overload conditions. A huge current through the rotor may damage the winding as well as other appliances connected to the supply. It senses the current and breaks the power supply. There are different types of starter such as Y delta open transmission is a somewhat standard electromagnetic starter system designed to safely reduce the voltage in the operation of major commercial equipment. The system is suitable for and often implemented in the operation of air compressor and pumps. Number 2, soft start solid state often use it most major commercial equipment. A step-start motor start is a reduced voltage starter that performs its function via the use of fluid magnetic force or steel shot to lower startup current and control torque. Soft starter motor start are frequently used in generator, conveyor system and other general purpose functions. Y delta star OEM, a system that features sub panel mounting 120 volt coils and a star Y delta timer for control system that initially refrain from incorporating time function. Importance of motor starters. Motor starters are one of the major invention for motor control applications. As the name may imply, a starter is a electrical device that control the electrical power needed to start a motor. These electrical devices are also used to stop, reverse and protect electric motors. A motor starter is also very important for starting an induction motor. This is due to its low rotor impedance which depends on the slip of the induction motor, which is the relative speed between the rotor and stator. Induction motors have a high induced current that is 5 to 8 times the normal rated full load currents. Such volumes of currents can easily damage or burn the windings of the motor, rendering the machines useless. It can also cause a huge dip in the supply voltage, which leads to damaging other applications connected to the same particular line. In order to protect the motor from such huge volumes of currents, motor starters are used to limit the initial current for shorter duration at startup, and once the motor attains a certain speed, the normal power supply to the motor is resumed. How do motor starters work? Motor starters usually consist of two devices, a contactor that completes the circuit to the motor and an overload relay that monitors the current the motor draws. This overload shielding device is set to a predetermined maximum load that the motor can safely handle. When a condition occurs that causes the motor to surpass the maximum load, the device opens the motor starter control circuit and then the motor is turned off. When an electric motor is started, a large amount of current is required to turn the motor. This current is supplied by the motor starter. The motor starter consists of a contactor which is an electrically controlled switch and a set of coils. When the contactor is energized, the coils create a magnetic field that close the contactor, allowing current to flow the motor. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.